Why in the hell are you riding a horse and you're still thinking about disengaging on a death-defying trail? If you could lose your life on the trail that you're riding on because it's so death-defying, make sure you're on a good horse. I'll go to places and we'll be like in Colorado, we'll be up in the mountains, we'll be in the Ozarks, and they're like, Michael, I love your program, but picture it. There's a 30-foot cliff wall, a 2-foot trail, 1,500-foot drop off. How do I disengage my horse? Why in the hell are you riding a horse and you're still thinking about disengaging on a death-defying trail? If you could lose your life on the trail that you're riding on because it's so death-defying, make sure you're on a good horse. How do you know if you have a good horse? Piss them off at home, upset them, scare the bejesus out of them, go fast. If you get a horse that you can scare the bejesus out of, and you can disengage no problem, super easy, gives you his face, gives you his butt, and you can go warp speed, and you can take his face and butt, no problem, no, you won't have to disengage that horse on the trail. You won't have to do this work. When you're at home, upset that horse, make that horse feel like it went to boot camp, where things were scary, loud noises. Desensitizing means senses, sight, sound, and touch. Work all of them, and then work them over again, and then work them up. Like, do everything you can until you feel like, oh yeah, the sky could fall. Let's do the emergency stuff at home, so in real life it won't be an emergency. The horse that knows beyond knowing that you're in control, you are the leader, those horses don't give you hard times when you're out and about. So the more death-defying my trail is, if I'm on real narrow trails and I'm gonna fall down a holler on this side, I'm gonna get into traffic on that side, I'm in the city and I'm riding down a sidewalk and the expressway's right here, I'm cool with all that. But what I am saying is if we're gonna risk our life on our horse, the more of a risk that I'm taking, the more prep that I'm gonna do at home.